Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I have this cool website that's made with the Flux theme and I want to add a logo carousel to it. Let me show you how. In WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins. Then add new plugin. Search Depicter in the search bar. There it is. Install and activate it. In Depicter dashboard, head to the Carousel category and choose the Logo Carousel subcategory. Choose one of the ready-made templates and import it. I won't be making any changes, so let's publish. Go to your websites and click on Edit with Elementor. Get Depicter Pro for free with this coupon. Don't forget to leave a comment to let everyone know you've claimed it. I want to add the logo carousel here. So add a new section. Select your structure, add the Depicter widget, and choose the logo carousel that you just created. Then publish. Let's view the result. And there you have it, our logo carousel looking great on our website. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let us know in the comments what you think. Take care. Bye.